Okay, so what we're going to do here is to give you an example on how to scrape information from Instagram. Okay, before I use scraper like a web application, right? And some of that website are currently down right now. But before, I mean right now, I use sometimes I use this manual scraping, and I use a website also to extract all the email address, only the email address without the names, without the titles, without the phone numbers, without the physical address, without their if you need the if you need their website, then I can. I mean this type of approach. I'm just only going to scrape for the email address. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to go to what you call this CSE. Okay, cse.google.com. Okay, as you can see, I have Instagram here. Okay, to input the Instagram on this category, I'm going to I'm going to delete it first. Okay, I'm going to delete that now. Okay, I'm going to add the Instagram. Okay, I'm going to put www. Oh, hold on. That's Instagram.com. Okay, hold on. Let me check www. Okay, yeah, that's www.instagram.com. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. Now after this, as you can see, it says congratulations, you've successfully created your search engine. Now I'm not going to click on get code, right? It's going to provide you an API, right? We're going to click on code. It will going to give you like this one. It's a script that you can put on your on your page. Okay, but if I were you, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back, right? Instead, I'm going to click on public URL. As you can see, it it goes, I mean, it redirect us to a blank page, but there's a search field on the top left portion. Okay. Now here you can search for anything anything on the on this page. Right now I'm going to search for instance, you have to put those characters, okay, punctuation mark. I'm going to search for point of sales, or POS, point of sale. Going to put exclamation mark, and then if you're getting an email address, all right, you can try if you can get the Gmail email address, or Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook.com. Okay, what else? Probably Yahoo, if there's Yahoo, right? But right now, just for this example, I'm going to search for the email address, which is the Gmail email address. Okay, Gmail, right? Okay, just Gmail. Okay, right? I'm just going to click on search. As you can see, there's a bunch, right? There's a gmail.com, gmail.com, and it's if you have plenty of this, actually we have up to page 4, right? Yep, page 4. Okay, all right. Now, usually what I'm doing this without using any website to extract the email address. I usually do Control F and then @sign, and then it will going to give you all the characters with an @sign. Okay, because usually that's at gmail.com, right? But usually with Instagram, you also have an @sign and their user ID or their handle with your handle, right? Now, I'm not going to do that because it's you have to copy it one by one, copy and paste it, right? Now you have to what I did is to copy all of this, copy it, and then go to this website, this one. You can see it's already I've already done some email extracting. Then I copy all of this. Now I go to that page once again and then click on the next page. Then copy that information once again. Copy and paste. Right? Now go to that page once again. Click on the third page. You are also doing a scraping using extension, which usually a Google extension, some Google extension for web scraping has a pagination, okay? Or sometimes they ask you to click on if there's an next button, right? This time you're click on the next button, or you're clicking the page on the actual page of the search engine, okay? All right. Now, comma, pipe, alright. I'm going to click on extract, right? Now, as you can see, all the email address that is, what you call that, duplicates, it's already been removed. And it will going to give you all the details, all the email address that is unique, right? And you can just click this one. Okay. So once you copy it, it's there. Now you can copy it and paste it on your CSV file or your Excel sheets, and so you can upload it to your CRM or to your email list option, or probably your page, right? You can copy it and then paste it on your Google sheet. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much.